Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today, we are going to consider a fascinating topic that showcases the divine wisdom of the Qur'an. Something as small and seemingly insignificant as a mosquito. You might wonder, why would Allah mention a mosquito in the Qur'an? But, as with everything in the Qur'an, there's a profound lesson and a divine message. We'll explore Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 26, and uncover the amazing scientific facts that align with this verse. By the end of this video, you'll be in awe of how perfectly science and the Qur'an are intertwined. So, stick around, and let's dive into this eye-opening topic. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content that bridges faith and science. Let's begin. Allah says in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 26, "Indeed, Allah is not shy to present an example, that of a mosquito, or what is above it, and those who have believed know that it is the truth from their Lord. But as for those who disbelieve, they say, what did Allah intend by this as an example? He misleads many thereby and guides many thereby, and he misleads not except the defiantly disobedient." At first glance, it might seem curious that Allah would use something as small as a mosquito in an example, but this verse carries a deeper meaning. Allah is emphasizing that no matter how small or seemingly trivial something might be, it has a purpose and significance in His creation. This example of a mosquito is used to demonstrate that every creature, no matter how insignificant it might seem, is part of Allah's grand design. Now, let's turn to the science. The mosquito is not just an annoying insect that bites and spreads disease. It is an intricate creature that plays a role in the ecosystem. But what's truly fascinating is that recent scientific discoveries have revealed that there is a tiny organism that lives on the mosquito's head, an organism so small that it's almost beyond human perception. This tiny creature is a parasitic microorganism called Wolbachia. Wolbachia lives inside the cells of many insects, including mosquitoes. It's a bacterium that can influence the mosquito's reproduction and even its ability to transmit diseases like dengue fever and Zika virus. Imagine this: the Qur'an mentioned a mosquito over 1,400 years ago, and now we discover that there is an organism that lives on this mosquito, something that can only be seen with a microscope. This aligns perfectly with the verse in Surah Al-Baqarah, which speaks of what is above it, indicating something smaller or even within the mosquito. How could anyone in the 7th century have known about such microscopic organisms? The Qur'an often uses examples from nature to convey profound truths. In the case of the mosquito, Allah uses this tiny creature to demonstrate His power and wisdom. The Qur'an's mention of the mosquito and what is above it is not just a metaphor. It's a reflection of the intricate details of creation that science is only beginning to uncover. But why a mosquito? Why not a more majestic creature, like an eagle or a lion? The choice of a mosquito is deliberate and profound. It teaches us humility, reminding us that no matter how insignificant something may seem, it is still a creation of Allah, and it has a role to play in the grand scheme of things. This verse serves as a reminder that Allah's knowledge encompasses all things, from the vastness of the universe to the microscopic world of bacteria and viruses. In conclusion, the mention of the mosquito, far more than just a reference to a small insect, it's a profound example of Allah's wisdom and a reminder of the intricate details of His creation. The discovery of microscopic organisms like Wolbachia only serves to strengthen our belief in the divine nature of the Qur'an. The next time you see a mosquito, remember that it's a sign from Allah, a reminder of the vastness of His creation and the depth of His knowledge. Let us continue to explore the wonders of the Qur'an and the natural world, deepening our faith and understanding in the process. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to #Q Your Single Quotes and Speak Science. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue to explore the miracles of the Qur'an. May Allah guide us all to the truth and protect us from any form of misguidance.